All right, people, I'm really sorry. I got to miss a day today of a meeting that I have to go to for a class. So, your warm up today is find the common ratio. So, our first example here is you have f of 2, which is our second term, and you divide that by our first term. Okay, so we're thinking 6 divided by 2, and then that's going to equal 3. So I give you the answer on this one, but you can see that the common ratio is 3. So R equals 3. Okay, our second one. I want you to do what we did here, okay? And so in the end, you're going to come up with your common ratio. So what is your common ratio? Okay, so take your second term, whatever your second term is, divided by your first term, set it up so that you can end up finding your common ratio. Okay, same thing with this one. I want you to also notice that I say find a calculator. Get a calculator. Okay? Get a calculator. Get a calculator. Get up and go get a calculator. All right. Second one, second section. You're going to be looking for, this is the tool, the skill that you're going to need in the lesson today to figure out the explicit rule. Okay, so when it comes to the explicit rule, this is kind of what you're going to need. All right, so first thing you're going to do is the number I give you an answer fully done here, and I want you to factor it, write it in completely prime factored form. Okay, so 18 equals 3 times 3 times 2. So this is really 9 times 2, right? So then you're going to write it using exponents. So I have 2 and then 3 squared. So our second one, just to show you the whole process through, 24 is 4 times 6, but 4 times 6 is 2 times 2, and then 6 is 2 times 3. So we're going to say 3 times 2 to the third. Okay. So the second one, I'm going to do the third one, I'm going to let you guys do the last part of it. So 50 is 5 times 10, but 10 is 5 times 5 times 2. And so this is going to be, you fill in the blank there. So same thing with this one. What's going to be your final answer there? All right. So that's your warm up. So take a couple minutes, finish this out. I'm going to have the sub give you the answers only once you get to the board, and see if you guys can figure out how you got the answers.